Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
Mekai first no say abatuo eba bedrua. It is normal say accident, you better to say accident. In fact, aside say abatuo bedru kra no, every December we better say accident and Ghana so December bia near to aba. Nti na ya na eye normal better say accident. Na womo a womo nim spiritual matters ni mu no. Some of the things they say and they say, oh, sir, December ya na batuo ba bedu ya say accident isi politicians no and I say aha womo pepa wanti no wakoyesi o makoyesi. In this particular year, we are seeing something that make us say a bit rare to san semna na ya nkrofo kan because in this particular year, as the accident na ACC no, politicians no endorse like obeti say politician we nya accident. Na kwa say Sisia no, it is moving from every week to almost every day, and now every 2 days and every 3 days. Obeti accident, politician we akwakonya accident, politician we akwakonya accident. Now story amede ebra wono NDC for one more financial secretary bi wakwakonya accident by Danyankopon ase say wenwu. But this comes at the back of just 2 days. Within 2 days NDC for Bono East executives ekonya accident deputy youth organizer wo free mu ya and ho asem ye nkan wie just yesterday another NDC youth organizer nkrofobik oboni tuo ekun no eno so asem ye nkan wie ende ye sorry abrantie bia ye friend John Kpeli na John Kpeli ukọ Northern Regional. He's the deputy treasurer of the NDC. Wako akwakonya accident Emma trese nkrofo e de aye asem ka say hey, what is happening? These political parties, what is happening? Because mind you, just last week in a very particular say MPP womo Nasara wing womo founder no ono nso ekonya accident embra wo ye campaign jumenjuma e na trese ono nso enya accident wo free mu ya enche Andre ya nso breaking news. In fact, endekra na me post here breaking news and say Endra MPP for Aguna East wo mu ye float o se den eno so accident si ama maame wewu chese sisi ade as every single day o sorry o bete accident every single day o sorry o bete accident na yen ko nsem ni mu. Now according to confirmed sources yenso yenya bi yate accident esi ewo yesi baby a yefe no Temale Salaga Temale Highway ewo East Gonja district of the Savannah region eho an accident yenya nteye say esi wo na etiefo accident esi ye no. The Northern Regional Secretary of the NDC, Wababontin, Edensem Ababetudja, Tretre, and Sem Eniso. Now, maybe didn't say my word to Jano. Now, Northern Regional Secretary, friend Mohammed Abdul Salam, or no, and I will confirm me accidenti, and Tress and Necre. Now, was it baby or why a friend? I was a highway listener. Baby or why a friend, Binjai, it's a Bunjai or Binjai, I don't know, but the name no. Now there is a sharp curve over there. Now NDC deputy treasurer na car na wokita no pickup. It say sharp curve nimu wo twa no wo negotiate curve no obi nim say he was on top speed o say den yo no one knows what happened. And I say car no somersault ya for enye easy. Now asema walk ni the secretary NDC for Northern Regional Secretary asema odi tu January say it happened this dawn around Bunjai into Edini Bunjai. I say happened this dawn around Bunjai on the Salaga Road. He was moving to Makango to be ferried to Yeji, but on reaching the area the accident happened. Ti anone nsemo a walk and I me no ka say you see we pra various degrees of injuries. You don't know, and that I say he's on admission at Tamale Teaching Hospital. The afternoon say he is responding to treatment. So that's what is coming through. Yenyanti said the Northern Regional Vice Chairman of the NDC, together with the Deputy Regional Communication Officer, your friend Mr. Idrisu Hadi, atiase, ako sra papaya ye kan ho asemi e wo Tamale Teaching Hospital no. Inti no eno ne nsemo a eda ho. So senior medin kan tell no, this accident comes on the back of Bono East Regional Deputy Youth Organizer Niwu Awowu ye ewo that particular accident in Nsumu. So it is something I am saying, please send your nyama air kono, send your na first na kan tell me share asie no me share da ede sa politician stories na ya Ghana for ye kano me de share asie because na ye de share politicians no say omo pe power into no more, but right now even they themselves they are suffering from the accidents. Sisi anu omo kra de ne kra ya ginsem obeti yesi obi edi maham motor rider wodi maham enim wakwa akonya accident fall into coma obeti yes just say sisi ade accident cases no. And I told you, just report it was last 2 weeks and I read this report in the tremo. From January to August keke from January to August keke, over 1,000 people have died through accidents. Over 1,000 people just from January to August too. Now accidents are peja nimui from September eba and I yet say accidents no isipa wa Ghana, but reporter eba ekra no na September de enka ho. And from September akwa say the once from August eba no the second half of the year. And now it's like we are in the last quarter of the year. Say year no person uchim say 333 ati ase ubenya 4. We are in the last quarter of the year. So the last quarter of the year, that one no normally would check the statistics from Ghana Road Safety for no any MTT U4 hoa. We want to say normally last quarters of the year and last quarter of the year no and no pan accidents that I see. So these times we are entering into are very dangerous times. Very, very dangerous times. Please, drivers. Because now I'm saying Obia Sama walk ahead City FM for one of their presenters, a friend Nathan Kwao. Say mo amotie City FM nya munim no. This early dawn, ahomachi we what the story be by was say na ke yenti asem de na ka ahomachi de ebete ne say wonu Nathan Kwao na ka we film. Ena later we be twitwa pictures esene ye. Etiefo tractor articulator sa car stentena efa load no aseye si kwan ho no road sign enumero aye say Ghana kwan so de hardly say be say street light aso no street light o Ghana kwan no street light ahomachi war driving tractor na say esi kwan ho ema there's no indication one far triangle in see ho inti car bia ba bia no ni o say e car dead na car the car ni kobom because he was also driving at top speed. So we nim say car say yes yo into do hono no so fi say car ni movie NDC for 2 days ago Bono is deputy youth organizer no wo ye no say mo wa na ni we family member e frame me ye ni aye wa ha e na ni family member frame me a what this any accident this year na etu menim wo mo edu to omodu to wo mu tia to na car asay esi the other lane into articulator na airba no car na asay si the other lane no indication only triangle into articulator na airba no wonu so ehu ade nso asa into onu de wo hu ne say car ni movie no hu ne say car ni movie so do one who says e car na say si kwan so no na ye too late nti oyifa car ne ho nti oyifa ho no e no de ko ball NDC executive Bono is executive a womote eye wo mutu ato no oyifa ho no de ko ball mo e na executive no ba ko ewu ye no. Recklessness on the road. And they are netankwa dey abe netakwa dey be and they are and also sa and all can osi nyame nko ananko and onu nso owu because can na say si ho uginechi na oba ebe yo say can a movie meanwhile I say in isi kwan no. Even yesterday myself I experienced it. I was driving to Afarewa Ashaiman kwan so. Eno some motos na wo mo fa baller no wa che se me nim se aseri o se bien yo ena wo pakie si hey Ghana pan hey em se ni moto na sei ena ekwan no enchen no eda ho I don't know se wontumi amma enkrofo na wontumi amma nkofo ambeboa no antwi moto na nkwankosi kwan no hu se bien yo ena ni moto na asai no waji ekwan ni bi if ufri Afarewa eko afienya sa kwan ni so a ni onu ni moto na asai na mo sa kia motos no e no de fa baller no e na chese wa park si kwan ni ho na age kwan ni ho bi e na me say we articulator pan ba ekwan ni so ama no. Meanwhile, the back of the road no ewo ho, roadside no wo ho, na nko betumi atwe moto na akwa kosi ho. Na nipa ko na se moto na say aba park si wo kra no, he is nowhere to be found. No sign. Endra ya me drive wo kwan si na me na me wusu miti me say, "Ha, indiscipline just like that." Indiscipline. Embe bi sa, bibi sa si a, minya ya ka na bia me ye police ni ana me ye soldier. Sometimes me who be bisa na makase Uradi Yesu Kristo minya yanka endependent ka minda ni soldier ana minda ni police ni ka mema branchi ya so aye she. Hey! Indiscipline here and there. Just last month we were here and I so the reports be one accident be a see ya and nam so will be wu ye and also the same thing nipa kumoto asai moto na asai no wa park si kwan ni mfimfini kan so ba we no road sign, nothing. No reflector to show say hey Ghana. Try my comment box anymore. That's it.